Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this. It's an 8-piece wind anchor kit that you can use for pretty much anything that needs an anchor, like say sports equipment or goals and things like that that typically blow away, would work great for volleyball nets, etc. This kit is great because they actually provide you with a hand tool that you can use to crank these in the ground. So if you're out traveling, on the back side of this, it actually has the ability to put this on here, fits all the way down, and then you just drill it into the ground like this. And once it's actually down all the way into the ground, you then have the ability to add these little tops. This is a nice powder-coated metal that you can add on here when you've got it into the ground, and then attach on anything that you need to that to secure it down. Optionally, they also send you with another bit that can go on the end of a drill. This is how I would recommend putting it into the ground, because these things are 2 feet long by 2 inches wide. So you can easily put this into the ground by just taking one of these, putting it on here like this, sticking it into the ground, driving it all the way down into the ground where it's nice and flush, and then you can add one of these caps onto here and screw this in place, and that is not going to go anywhere. So once that is in place, you can tie into that. Whenever you're done with your event, like at a soccer field or anything else, you just simply take that out, flip your drill in reverse, or use the hand tool, pull it out, and you're ready to take that with you wherever you want to go.